Today's video is on crypto.com. So for those people who do not know crypto.com, crypto.com is a crypto trading platform where you guys can buy and sell crypto in its original amount, which means there is no fee whenever you buy and sell crypto. So it's basically like you're buying crypto in original, amount. While in other trading platform, it's going to take a certain amount of fee from you, alright? So that's basically the, basic information about crypto.com. If you guys want to know more about it, you can visit its official website to know more about it. But today's video is not on that. This video is on how you guys can reset your crypto.com's password. So follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. First step is you want to go to crypto.com, which is the official website of crypto.com. Once you're over here, you want to scroll down and click on register trade. You can choose whichever coin from over here. It doesn't matter. You want to click on trade. You want to click on go to exchange. Once you click on go to exchange, it's going to take you to the page of crypto.com's, sign up. Now you do not want to sign up into our account since we already have our account. We just want to reset the password because we forgot it. Now we're going to click on login over here. Once we click on login, it's going to take us to the login page. Once you're over here, you want to click on register forgot your password because we want to reset our password. Once you click on it, you want to enter the, email of your account. So you want to enter the email of your crypto.com account, which I'm going to do right now. After entering the email, you want to click on click to verify. To verify yourself, you're a human, not a bot. So after verifying yourself, basically what you want to do is you want to click on submit. After you click on submit, it's going to show you the process on how you guys can recover the password of your account. It's going to be sent to your email. Now you want to go to the email, whichever email you typed over here. Once you go to your email, it's going to give you a verification link and you want to click on that link and it's going to take you to the page where you guys can reset the password of your crypto.com account. So that's basically how you guys can, reset the password of your crypto.com account. Hope you guys were able to do it. If you guys were, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer, guys. And if you guys for some reason did not get the email, then basically crypto.com server might be off. So you might just try like 1 or 2 hours later. But if it still doesn't send you the email, then basically the email you typed over here is incorrect or the email you typed over here is not associated with crypto.com, which means you do not have an account under that email. So make sure to type the correct email. Alright, so have a nice